Okay. When we see there in this lesson, what we learn about Maddah letters. Okay. There are three letters are Maddah letters. Let me show you. I will explain you from beginning. Okay. We are learning in this lesson about Maddah letters. Okay. The sign Jazm. This
Yeah.
sign is called Jazm or Sakoon. Okay. The letter which carry the Jazm is called Sakina. Okay. Sakina or Sakin. Okay. Not Sakina. Like sorry, Sakin. And the Sakin letter is read along with Mutaharrika letter behind it. There are three letters or Mata letters: Alif, Waw, and Ya. Okay.
Yeah.
Then our first question is, what is Alif Mata, Waw Mata, and Ya Mata? They explain there, like when there is Fatha before Alif Sakin. Okay, but not Sakin. If we see there, there is mistake, just a little mistake, not Sakin, because Alif have not Sakun sign. Like let me show you. There Alif have no Sakun sign. Yeah. So when there is Fatha before Alif, okay, when there is fatha before alif, it becomes alif madda. Okay. For example, ba alif fatha ba, nun alif fatha na, sin alif fatha sa. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing I want to teach you about this, like alif madda, like if there is sakun, like as they say alif sakin, when there is alif sakin is here and alif before letter have fatha sign, so we read like that, like ba hamza fatha ba. Okay, we don't stretch. Okay,
Yeah.
you got it.
Yeah.
When there is fatha before alif, it's become alif madda. Okay. For example, pa alif fatha pa, nun alif fatha na, sin alif fatha sa, and then the second letter madda letter is waw madda. Okay, waw madda. When there is dhamma before waw sakin, it's become waw madda. Okay, you got it.
Mhm.
For example, like
Yeah.
ba waw dhamma pu, nun waw dhamma nu, sin waw dhamma su, qaf waw dhamma u. Okay. And then when there is kasra before ya sakin, it's become ya madda. Okay. For example, ba ya kasra bi, nun ya kasra ni, sin ya kasra si, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
You got my point.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, now you tell me. Okay, there's a little bit more which I need to explain you, like how to pronounce letter of madda. Letter of madda should be pronounced by elongating up to one alif. In easy way, we say that like we stretch equal to 2 seconds. Okay, like equal to two alif, 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 like that. Ba alif fatha ba. It should be pronounced in a gentle sound without checking the voice. Okay, we don't read ba bu bi. We say ba bu bi, like a gentle sound. Okay,